Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a dark to light theme toggle with React step by step clearly. To set up a dark to light theme toggle with React, we begin by creating a new React application. Open your terminal and run the command npx create React app theme toggle. After the installation completes, navigate to your project folder using cd theme toggle. Next, open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the src folder and create a new file named themetoggle.js. In themetoggle.js, start by importing React and the useState hook. Then, create a functional component called themetoggle. Within this component, use useState to define a state variable for the theme, initializing it to light. Create a function called toggleTheme that toggles the theme between light and dark. Use the setTheme function inside toggleTheme to update the theme based on its current value. In the return.jsx, create a button that calls toggleTheme when clicked. Also, apply a dynamic class name to the button based on the current theme. Now, return the button with a text that reflects the current theme. Next, import and use the theme toggle component in your app.js file. In app.js, also import the useEffect hook to apply the saved theme when the component mounts. Use useEffect to check the local storage for a saved theme and set it accordingly. Add a class name to the main app container based on the current theme. Now, you can style the light and dark themes using CSS. Create a new CSS file in the src folder named app.css. Define styles for the light and dark classes in app.css. In the app.js file, import the CSS file to apply these styles. Make sure the styles include properties for background color, text color, and any additional customizations. Once you have all components and styles in place, start your application. Run the command npm start to see your theme toggle in action. Test the button to ensure it switches between the dark and light themes smoothly. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional dark to light theme toggle in your React application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.